So I have been honored to be the general manager of Whole Foods Co-op for the last 7 years. And it's a true honor to serve our community and serve our co-op in that way. I love that we are able to sell groceries to have a positive impact in our community, but really my background is sustainability and community building and community development, and this particular project pulls it all together. We are able to have an amazing impact in reducing our energy consumption, but we are also able to connect so many entities through this project. We're connecting our owners, we're connecting our neighbors, solar producers up on the Iron Range, and the solar installers who are teaching other people how to install solar in our community. It's a real honor to be in partnership with Solar Bear, Heliene, Interfaith Power and Light, and to really help spread the word about solar is possible and solar is an exciting thing here in our community.
This project has been an honor to be a part of. It's quite large, and being of a large size, it comes with sizable benefits. The co-op will be making somewhere between $15,000 and $20,000 a year in revenue from this. They will be saving their energy costs, and that will enable them to forward their mission of, serving their community in multiple ways. So it's really a big deal for our community.
So our rooftop solar array is made up of 145 panels, and that adds to the array that we have on the west wall of our building. Together, those are generating enough electricity to cover about 25% of our energy consumption here at our store. Groceries is incredibly energy intensive. All of our refrigeration, our lighting, our refrigeration is going 24 hours a day, and it is using an insane amount of energy. So anything that we can do to reduce our energy consumption is a benefit to our co-op, to our business, and to our community.
While many people might just see a solar array here, what we see are a field of values. We see the value of supporting a regional economy with panels made on the Iron Range. We see support of equity in terms of going with an indigenous-owned installer. We see support of labor with prevailing wages being paid on this project. And we see the revenue from this project evident supporting the mission of the co-op, which is a community-driven mission. So we love the values inherent within this project.
We are really honored to power up our solar project today and celebrate this next big step in our community journey.